What's up, guys? So it's Saturday here. We just arrived at the train station. Wow, this place is pretty like grand, epic, man. You know, they got a crazy botanical garden here and everything. So we are taking the train, the speed rail to Barcelona today. So we should be arriving in Barcelona in about 3 hours. So I was asking my local bartender how, like, you know, to purchase the tickets and stuff like that, and she recommended this app called Uga, which is like the Euro Pass or something, like an app you can download, and basically you get everything like pretty conveniently. Surprisingly, pretty easy to pick everything up, and everything has a mobile app. You can add your wallet, and Apple Pay. Pretty simple process. Credit card, Apple Pay, or not, all works. It's a pretty cool train station, guys. Check it out here. We've got a bunch of stores and everything here. Pretty legit. And we got the body shop here. And not to mention pigeons in here. There are just pigeons everywhere here, guys. It's like actually like a closed window. If you need like water bottles and snacks, there's a vending machine over there. I always think it's the best thing to do to take a train if you're not in a rush and you kind of want to just to take the scenic route. That was also suggested to me by some of the locals, so that's exactly what I'm doing. We're going to take the train and just kind of chill out today. You know, hopefully we'll arrive in Barcelona by, I think it's going to be about 3 o'clock we should be there. And then we're going to check into the hotel and then relax and then chill out. Alright guys, traveling on a train in Spain is freaking chaotic, dude. This is insane. Yeah, look at the lines there. We made it to Barcelona. I think it's about 5 p.m. right now. I'm gonna exit, grab a taxi. I should probably grab an Uber. And then we're gonna head to the hotel, check in, and then gonna wind down for the day. It's a really nice day out. I'm in t-shirts and shorts and everything, and I want to make my way out to the beach or the harbor where the aquarium is, and I'm going to check that out and then see what else is around the area. You guys can see post-pandemic, there is a lot of construction going on in Spain. I mean, every city I've been to so far, I've seen construction. See some kind of awning up, something going on, and yeah, just construction everywhere. It's crazy. But I guess this is a good thing, right? They're renovating stuff, making things better, for more tourists to come in and check it out. So yeah, lots of ways to get around here. I'm gonna pass by the big Christopher Columbus statue here and check that out. Apparently they constructed this statue after Christopher Columbus discovered America. So here's another fun fact about this trip. The hotel that I booked is apparently in the red light district. I had no idea. I just found great rates for it. But yeah, I'm committed, so that's another fun fact. But check out this view, guys. Look at this ocean view. We're gonna scope out this mall, guys. A lot of, familiar. Oh, look at this. This is cool. They're playing F1. What? Cool. Check this out. That's cool. Look at that. Kicks. Have a really cool ass view from the mall here. Check this out. Day one in Barcelona. I'm tired, so we'll call it on this one and catch you guys in the next one.